Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be making some very yummy fluffy pancakes, and here are all the ingredients that we are going to be using. 2 cups of flour, 1 egg, some vanilla essence, some milk, sugar, salt, cooking oil, and also water. So let's start. To a jar we are going to add the cup of milk that we had, 1 egg. We're also going to be adding a little bit of oil to the mixture, and we're going to whisk until it is well combined. And then to this wet mixture we are going to be adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, and then we're going to whisk that together. And you can also use any flavoring agent that you want, it doesn't have to be vanilla essence. And then we are going to be adding a 1/4 cup of water and a third of the 1/4 cup, so let's say like 2/3. So now we are going to do the dry ingredients, and we are going to start by whisking the flour. The reason is so that we can get some air inside, and this will allow our pancake dough to be fluffy. And then to this mixture we are going to be adding 6 teaspoons of sugar and a pinch of salt, and we are going to be combining that together. Once that is well combined, we are going now to be combining the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients together. At this stage you can do it in stages. You can start by adding a little bit of the wet ingredients, the dry ingredients, and mixing, and make sure that you're mixing in one direction. Whether you use the clockwise or the anti-clockwise direction, make sure you don't change, and also avoid over mixing the dough so that it can have that good texture when you bite into it. And also if you feel that your pancake dough is too thick, you can add a little bit of water until you get the consistency that you want. Now to the cooking part. To a pan, you will use medium heat. You're going to dust the pan with a little bit of cooking oil, and then you're going to pour the pancake dough into the pan, and you can use the measuring cup that you want. It all depends with the size that you want. Here I chose to use a 1/4 cup. So you wait for about 1 minute 30 seconds until you see some bubbles forming, and then that is when you're going to flip the pancake on the other side. And then after you flip, you're going to wait for about 1 minute and 15 seconds, and then you're going to repeat the process. You start with dusting off the pan with a little bit of oil, pour the pancake dough into the pan, waiting until bubbles are formed, and then flipping. At this stage, make sure that your burner is turned to medium or almost low so that you avoid burning the pancake, but don't make it too low because it's going to be hard. For this we got about 11 pancakes, which was enough to serve 4 people, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you. See you next time.